Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can switch to a professional account on Instagram. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead and launch your Instagram. Now click on the three dashes in the top right corner of your screen. Then click on settings, click on account, and you want to scroll all the way down to switch to professional account. And it is very easy. All you have to do is read the pre instructions, and the next thing you can do is you can display on your profile that you are a professional, or you can leave it, and you have to show which brand you are going to deal in, whether it's music or a business. And if you're either a creator or a business, you can see that I've chosen a creator. You can decide to protect yourself from unwanted interactions such as offensive messages, and you can see it is very easy, and my professional account is ready. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.